imagine obi use private car owo Ghana water won fie otua light bill na ya to ne VAT mu 20% okota de charging 20% ne salary a oje eno an oda so je oye a member of Closag no do you expect to say under wo ban we ya kan wasemi eni say okọ striker na
okay do the clock cycle
yeah me the rem because wo ban tutumu a wo tutumu atwamene bo abesensan manfo ko mo no eno ne ma every member of Closag today so when we demonstrate here they have the right to do what to demonstrate.
They're on strike now.
Who drink can't Ghana for say what $30 so it's because of that no or no na ketua busumi ojeno and to me be amaya what do you expect of that person? Moreover, you campaign on the platform and also on the conditions say abinded than what the cost of living Ghana food to me bear and what chira bomenim ekufo to me mbuo man no enti say obi so many more within 90 days it was in the 120 days social contract some make sure say bibia besesa galam say nyina manfo be Ghana form be tomo eno na etimu yo Akoma FM kuto Akoma FM eti e kache Ghana for hwe na e ke bibia about the Iran ne Israel tokwa ye kuko so you see I very very sad o yawo say mutumi general simpie so kache Ghana for say Russia ni Ukraine bomb na meto Ghana better ne mo hu diwe amu si popo obi amba bontin be kan hwe me mo wan say some of us are saying there obi e can be ano enye say we are wishing doom but time a wo position no Russia ni Ukraine war no buy no the Ghanaian people they saw your posture 87.9 Kumasi and whether we like it or not import and export will be affected. Say you pay, import, export, and be affected because what the fee we ma enko, what the fee so enko. And for be na do kofa.
Enye baby ana enko. Say baby o fa wi.
Baby o mo fa wi mo, but initially baby anka o de be fa e be at a certain charge no. And once o do kofa baby a de be see o say bia o de nyam crayfish China e buy na. O do from straight bi. You say bia go see South Africa and also go see a certain country asa na wasa trust the Ghana until the cost involved no kwan e be say increase a wutima muni a hu hia sa de no at the end of the day ya cha wo na obetua sa cost no. That is the current state we find ourselves.